One simple stretch. Posture, arm, hold. One arm vertical, other arm right from the behind, hold it right below the elbow. Make this arm straight and hold it tight. Try to stretch it out. What you're going to do is feel this. You're going to feel your shoulders stretch out. That will help with your frozen shoulder. You're going to feel your lungs, which will expand. Instantaneously, you will feel better breathing. Number 3, because your posture will go back to your original curve, your spine will create natural curve, and that will help decompress some of the vertebrae, and that will help with your backache, and also will help with your cervical. It'll give you flexibility, mobility, and you can do it only 5 minutes each time, and 5 minutes on the other hand. You can do it more than 5 minutes, that'll be better yet. When you go for a walk, hold this position. All right, so you're walking. Please do talk to your physical therapist. He may or she also agree that it might be good for your backache. Try it, you won't regret it. I am feeling better. Thank you and bye-bye.